Thanks for watching Wise Monkey. I'll show you one common problem with the Hummer actually here shown H2. What we found is suddenly this driver power seat, this wouldn't work. Like we press, it doesn't go back and forth, up or down, inflate, deflate, nothing works. So as the same time these seat heaters stopped working. Everything was working fine before, so suddenly it stopped working. And window still works fine, power mirror works. So the passenger side also was not working, and the passenger heaters, those heaters. At the same time, the rear view mirror, that stopped working. The compass and the rear view mirror stopped working. So we looked at everything, including the, if you can see here, this module underneath the seat, right here. We disconnected this, reset the module, nothing worked. So I thought that it's a module, new module that has to be replaced. But the people have done that and it didn't help. So instead of buying an expensive module, which is like $300-400, started going to the fuses. Now under the dash right here, this is the, for reference, this is the parking brake release. Right here we disconnected these two. These are the circuit breakers for or circuit reset for these seats. So disconnected this for about a minute or so. That helped once, taking them off and keep them disconnected for a while and plugging, but then it stopped again. So then next time it didn't work. So we disconnect. What I did is I disconnected these two again, put them on the floor, and on the side panel right here I disconnected these two aluminum looking breakers, this one and that one. I'm just telling what I did because eventually we got it working. So those two, took them out, left them on the floor for a while. Don't mix them up. This is 20 amp, that's 25. Underneath here, that's I think 31st, and then on the right side is 25. Now what we found is a bit weird. Well, we tried these things before too, but it didn't help. But what I think this time helped is we found that this fuse, that's the 10 amp HVAC 1. So here it's written is this one. So 10 amp HVAC 1, that one, like 1 2 3, this third one, this one was blown. Where's the fuse? Which is like this one. It's a 10 amp, and this is blown inside. I didn't expect this to fix this problem because this is HVAC. It should have nothing to do with seat heater. It should be blower heater or so. But HVAC, I don't know the weird way these wiring is done in this vehicle. Definitely not done by Japanese. It's extremely weird how they mixed one fuse to many other items, right? So I don't know how they did it, but we put a new 10 amp right there. This is the one. We checked all the other fuses using a voltmeter. So this is the voltmeter. We used these two probes, set it on measuring resistance, and instead of taking all the fuses out, like there are two tiny probes actually, like here and here. So you hold the two probes, red and black, doesn't matter the orientation, and it will tell if there's continuity or not. Usually resistance should be like 0.5 to maybe 1 ohms or so, whereas here it was like open circuit basically. That number 10 here, that number 10. So we put a new fuse. I didn't expect it to work, but everything working. Oh, it stopped ringing, but now the key is not in ignition. The key has to be in ignition for sometimes to point the reset. Yeah. Yes, it's working fine. So all this working, and so as this the car has to be started or seatbelt on for this to work. I'll show quickly. Let's start the car. There you go. I'm so happy that could figure this out. So there is another fuse panel under the hood. You can check there too if the fuses are blown or not there. So there are three. One is under the dash, one is on the side panel, and one is under the hood right here on the in front of the driver. Right here, slide it out and you'll find it right there. Okay, so hope this helps. I see that many people have tried this, going through these problems for Hummer H2, H3, Suburban, Yukons, Denali's. I think quite a few vehicles are similar, all made by GM, Chevy. Okay, I hope this helps. Please share and subscribe. I'll put few links for fuses, parts, this kind of things that are needed to diagnose this in the description of this video. Please, if you like, browse and buy from there. Of course I may get a commission from that too. Hope this helps.